Welcome to our exploration of the best places to visit in Yemen, a country that boasts a rich cultural heritage and breathtaking landscapes. Nestled at the southern tip of the Arabian Peninsula, Yemen is often overlooked by travelers, but it is a treasure trove of unique experiences waiting to be discovered. From ancient cities steeped in history to stunning natural wonders, Yemen offers a diverse array of destinations that cater to every type of traveler. Imagine wandering through the narrow streets of Sanaa, where the intricate architecture of the old city tells stories of centuries past. Or picture yourself standing atop the cliffs of Socotra Island, surrounded by otherworldly flora and fauna that can't be found anywhere else on Earth. Yemen's hidden gems, such as the UNESCO World Heritage sites of Shibam and Zabid, showcase the country's historical significance and architectural brilliance. As we delve deeper into this captivating land, prepare to be inspired by its vibrant culture, warm hospitality, and the stunning landscapes that range from rugged mountains to serene coastlines. Join us on this journey to uncover the best places to visit in Yemen, where every corner reveals a new story waiting to be told. Sanaa, the ancient capital of Yemen, is a city that seamlessly blends history and culture, earning its place as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The old city of Sanaa is a stunning example of traditional Yemeni architecture, characterized by its unique tower houses that rise majestically against the skyline. These multi-story structures, adorned with intricate geometric patterns and colorful stained glass, reflect the rich heritage of the region and provide a glimpse into the lives of its inhabitants over the centuries. As you wander through the vibrant souks, the bustling markets of Sanaa, you'll be enveloped in a sensory feast of sights, sounds, and aromas. Here, you can find everything from spices and textiles to handcrafted jewelry, all while experiencing the warm hospitality of the local people. One of the most significant landmarks in Sanaa is the Great Mosque, also known as the Al-Jami Al-Kabir. This architectural marvel dates back to the 7th century and is one of the oldest mosques in the Arab world. Its historical context is deeply intertwined with the spread of Islam, making it a vital site for both worship and cultural exchange. Exploring Sanaa is like stepping back in time, where every corner reveals a story waiting to be uncovered. Welcome to Socotra Island, often referred to as nature's wonderland, where breathtaking landscapes and unparalleled biodiversity come together in a stunning display. This remote island, located in the Arabian Sea, is home to an astonishing array of flora and fauna, much of which is found nowhere else on Earth. Among its most iconic inhabitants is the dragon's blood tree, with its distinctive umbrella shape and crimson sap, which has captivated visitors and researchers alike for centuries. Socotra's diverse ecosystems offer a plethora of outdoor activities for nature enthusiasts. Hiking through its rugged mountains and unique limestone plateaus provides breathtaking views and the chance to encounter rare species, such as the Socotra starling and the Socotra tortoise. For those who prefer the ocean, snorkeling in the island's pristine waters reveals vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life, making it a paradise for underwater explorers. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Socotra Island is not just a destination, it's a living museum of natural history. Its isolation has allowed for the evolution of unique species, making it a vital area for conservation. Whether you're an adventurer or a nature lover, Socotra Island promises an unforgettable experience in one of the world's last untouched paradises. Shibam, the Manhattan of the desert. Welcome to Shibam, often dubbed the Manhattan of the desert, where stunning mud brick skyscrapers rise dramatically from the arid landscape. This ancient city is renowned for its unique vertical structures, which date back to the 16th century. The architectural significance of Shibam lies in its innovative use of mud brick construction, creating towering buildings that reach up to 7 stories high. These structures not only showcase the ingenuity of ancient Yemeni architecture, but also serve as a testament to the region's ability to adapt to its harsh environment. Historically, Shibam was a vital trading hub along the ancient caravan routes, connecting the Arabian Peninsula to East Africa and beyond. Its strategic location facilitated the exchange of goods, culture, and ideas, making it a melting pot of diverse influences. The bustling markets and vibrant community life that once thrived here are echoes of its rich past. Surrounded by a picturesque desert landscape, Shibam offers breathtaking views of the golden sands and distant mountains. The contrast between the towering mud brick buildings and the vast desert creates a striking visual that captivates visitors. Exploring Shibam is like stepping into a living history book where every corner reveals the stories of a remarkable civilization that has stood the test of time. Taiz, the cultural heart. Welcome to Taiz, often regarded as the cultural heart of Yemen, where rich heritage and historical significance come together in a vibrant tapestry. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the Taiz Castle, perched high on a hilltop. This impressive fortress not only serves as a symbol of the city's resilience, but also offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. From its vantage point, visitors can appreciate the beauty of Taiz and its lush valleys, making it a must-visit for anyone exploring the area. As you wander through the bustling local markets, you'll be immersed in the sights and sounds of Taiz's vibrant culture. The markets are alive with the colors of traditional crafts, from intricately woven textiles to beautifully crafted pottery. Here, artisans showcase their skills, preserving age-old techniques that reflect the city's rich artistic heritage. Taiz has played a pivotal role in Yemen's history, serving as a center for education, trade, and culture for centuries. Its historical sites, including ancient mosques and traditional houses, tell the story of a city that has been a beacon of knowledge and creativity. Exploring Taiz is an invitation to experience the heart and soul of Yemen, where every corner reveals a piece of its fascinating past. Al-Mahwit, the hidden gem. Welcome to Al-Mahwit, a hidden gem in Yemen that offers a breathtaking escape into nature's beauty. Nestled in the mountains, this enchanting region is renowned for its stunning terraced landscapes, where lush greenery cascades down the hillsides. The vibrant fields of crops and wildflowers create a picturesque setting that captivates visitors and invites them to explore the serene environment. As you wander through Al-Mahwit, you'll encounter traditional architecture that reflects the rich cultural heritage of the area. The charming stone houses, often adorned with intricate designs, blend harmoniously with the surrounding landscape. The warm hospitality of the local people adds to the allure of this region as they welcome visitors with open arms and share their customs and traditions. Al-Mahwit is not just a destination, it's an invitation to immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Whether you're hiking through the terraced fields, enjoying a picnic with panoramic views, or simply taking in the fresh mountain air, this region offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Discovering Al-Mahwit is a journey into the heart of Yemen's natural beauty, where every moment is a chance to connect with the land and its people. In this journey through Yemen, we've explored some of the country's most captivating destinations, each with its unique attractions and cultural significance. From the ancient capital of Sanaa, with its stunning mud brick architecture and vibrant souks, to the breathtaking landscapes of Socotra Island, home to extraordinary flora and fauna, Yemen is a treasure trove of experiences. We also delved into the historical wonders of Shibam, the cultural heart of Taiz, and the hidden beauty of Al-Mahwit, showcasing the rich heritage that defines this remarkable country. Exploring Yemen's diverse regions not only reveals its stunning natural beauty but also highlights the importance of preserving its rich cultural legacy. Each location tells a story, inviting travelers to connect with the history and traditions that have shaped Yemen over centuries. If you enjoyed this exploration of Yemen's hidden gems, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow adventurers who are eager to discover the wonders of the world. Your engagement helps us continue to bring you inspiring travel stories and insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to exploring more destinations together.
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.